Well, as you can see, I'm not in the classroom. I'm actually in Buenos Aires because my plane was cancelled due to the volcanic ash. So what I'm going to try and do is show you how you can add sound effects to your story. Okay, so first thing, you need to open your story. So in Google, look for Story Creator 2. Create your own, and then start. Then you need to load your story. So click on load, put in your username and password. I hope you've all saved your username and passwords on one of these sticky notes that I told you about. Hopefully I can remember mine. Okay, find your story and open it. Now, before I continue with this, something that's really, really important is you need to open System Preferences. Look for the speaker which says Sound. You have different options, sound effects, output, input. Make sure your input volume is all the way down, because if it's not, the sound effects will not work. Okay, so I'll show you that one more time quickly. System Preferences, Sound, Input. Make sure the volume is all the way down. Okay, now we're ready. So to add a sound effect, you need to choose a character to add the sound effect to. So for example, if I want to add sound to the sheep, I click the sheep and then go to sound effects. It may ask a question about Adobe Flash Player. Say allow. Now here, I've got a whole library full of different sounds. You can try them if you like. Okay, so I'm actually looking for a sheep. Where's my sheep? Ah, there we go. So when I find the sheep, I click it, and I can see now that this sheep has got the sound effect sheep. Click OK, and you can test it by clicking Preview. And then dragging your mouse over to the character and not clicking. Just let go of the mouse. Okay. So that's how you add sound effects to your story. Now, if you've recorded your story, excellent. Because what you could do is, you could choose a character, again click on sound effects, but this time, click on upload sound, choose file, and look for your recordings. Remember, they should be on the desktop in your Unit 4 folder, and they should say Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3. Okay, good luck with it.